Hey guys, welcome to my first facecam video on this channel. Like, I actually never thought that I would do a facecam video so soon in this channel. And this was definitely not a video that I was supposed to upload today, or this is definitely not a video that I was planning to make. I already have another video planned. I mean, I already have that record. I just need to upload it, and but I keep forgetting. So yeah, hopefully I will upload that soon. So I'm not here to talk about my upcoming video. I am here to talk um, about the third consecutive leak of Cambridge A-Level Pure Mathematics 1 Paper 3 Variant 2 the Major session. Third consecutive leak. At first 2024, then 2025, and then 2026. And the funny thing is, I was actually supposed to give Pure Mathematics 1 on 2024 May June, but as like my O levels in my O levels, I completed it in two sittings. Like, I will also give you a bit of backstory. So I completed my O levels in like two sittings. So I shifted to October November session. Then I gave my first AS exam, like which was like pure math and physics only, on October November 2024. And I will talk about the October November paper in a bit later, but I actually didn't know that like, the major of paper of 2024 got leaked. I didn't know that. I got to know it in October, November, like I mean later actually. So around October, November, like when my exam was going on. But like man, then 2025 I gave my first. I mean not my first, like the second time I gave my P1 exam, and that was like the first me like witnessing a leak, like when it was ongoing. I mean not when someone was clicking the picture and leaking it, but like the first exam session that the first exam that I gave, that was actually leaked. And this year P1 doesn't concern me. Like, I'm currently an A2 student preparing for P3. I mean, by the way, for those who don't know, if you guys know, like P1 is pure mathematics 1, and P2 and P3 is pure mathematics 3. So sorry if you hear some noises. Like, currently a thunderstorm is going on. So yeah, like currently I'm an A2 student. Pure mathematics 1 doesn't concern me, and but like I'm still in shock, honestly speaking. I mean, it's not that it was completely unexpected. I did kind of expect it because, like, it happened the last 2 years. It can happen this time as well. And oh yeah, by the way, ignore my background. Like, it's usually messy like that. So, but I usually, you know, fix it before shooting a video, but I just don't want to do that. So, anyways, so back to the topic. Yeah, like it wasn't as surprising, but like I wasn't. I mean, I there was like a part of me that was expecting, and that there was a part of me that wasn't expecting it, and it happened. Like at first, I thought, okay, maybe this year no leaks. And after the exam happens, I go to Discord in a server. I won't say any names here. Um, and then I found out the paper was leaked. I go to Reddit. I also hear people talking about it. So yeah, it was confirmed by students that it was leaked. And like, what is Cambridge doing? I mean, three consecutive leaks. I don't know, like, what's with P1 and like leak? I mean, the questions of water leaking through a tube or something, like those type of questions don't really come nowadays in P1. So like that leak doesn't happen, but the leak that shouldn't happen happens. Yeah, I know it was like a bad example or something, but anyways. So, oof, man, what do I say? Like, you know what? Like, let me like tell you guys about my experience. Um, like at first, like I was an abnormal candidate P1 and 2004, by the way. And the paper, I like some of you might say, oh no, the paper was that hard, but for me, I really felt that it was pretty hard, and a lot of students felt that. And I come home, I open Reddit, and I find out that it got leaked. And now I'm not sure. Like I saw like HD images of the paper after like coming home from the exam. So yeah, like ignore all this. So anyways, so I saw HD images of the paper. Like I know some said that it was actually leaked after the exams happened, and which is kind of fine. Like that really doesn't matter, which is like kind of fine. I mean, if it gets leaked after the exam, I really don't care, and no one really cares, even though it shouldn't get leaked after exams, like even after exams, anyways. So, anyways, I had to give a retake, not because of the leaks, but yeah, because my exam didn't went well. So, last year, like among every subject, I think I like got the most exam Y from P1. Like I feel like that was the subject that I was really looking forward to. That was the subject like I studied with my satisfaction, like others like mechanics, I later with preparation. Physics, I didn't know. Like I revised I had the whole notes that I created. I'm not even like for class notes memorized. I still didn't know how was I not being able to answer some of the questions. Chemistry, I don't really want to talk about that subject. And mechanics is like was my weak point. I like that. That's not my cup of tea. Mechanics isn't my cup of tea. So yeah, P1, like I went from D to a B. It went really well, one of the best math exams of my life. And I will be honest, like I did have the leaks before the exams. Like I did know the exam got leaked. I got it like it was like everywhere. So obviously, if you were on Reddit, if you were on Discord, you would have the leak. Um, but like the exam didn't need to get leaked. The exam was pretty damn easy. So so later, I mean before the exam, I really didn't feel that sad that it got leaked, and like the exam was pretty easy as well. But after the exam happened,
Hey guys, editor Dhruvo here. So basically, my mic died here because of low charge, and I really had no way to know. So I mean, low charge. I mean, but yeah, low battery anyway. So what I was like speaking out here, I was just yapping about the paper and a lot of things. Like I yapped a lot today, so I really don't remember exactly what was I talking about. Basically, yeah, like how the paper leak is not good, um, this and that, like all that evil stuff and all. So, yeah, I actually don't remember a lot, so I have no idea like what I was talking about. If I remember something and I feel like, oh no, that was important, I should, like, you should know about it, so like, I will actually write it in the comments. Like, if that's it, if I remember anything about it. So I will just like skip to the quick part. So like this video doesn't get too long. I mean, otherwise, like if the audio is okay, it would have been about 30 minutes long. Also sorry if the audio quality is sounding bad here because my mic is still dead, and I won't be waiting till the morning to record it. Otherwise, like there will be a lot of background noises, and like I also have to say, okay, I am also an exam candidate. So, okay. Anyway, so I also like ask cameras like what do they do, and I also explain like what happened last year. Uh, so basically, mm, last year, I mean, yeah, like I'm not sure if I like, talked about this in another part of the video. If I'm sorry, if I mean, if I have, so I'm really sorry for repeating it again. But yeah, basically, they just did, they gave like those two questions. I mean, they just gave full marks for the questions they acknowledged that were leaked, and which was like kind of beneficial for some students and kind of not. Um, yeah, like that's about it. I'm pretty sure I talked about much more things over here, but I just can't remember what I talked about. Like, what did I yap about? So here I was mainly talking about, how someone I know, who's not from AS, I don't even know if bro has math or not, got like full solve P1 script, 5 hours. Yeah, I have a selection 5 hours, 5 hours before the exam. And I'm not sure if bro even has math or not. So definitely not a P1 student. So and like people even got it in, I heard people got it even in Africa. Like, and I'm pretty sure I don't think so. Africa or Kenya specifically falls under zone 4. Even people from India might get it. Who knows? Like maybe they got it as well. So yeah, here is the paper that he sent me after the exam, few hours after the exam, and yeah, I really can show it much more here, and yeah, it's still the editing Dhruvo. So like, can always expect, like, man, the situation. And I also talked about like, maybe not in this part of the video, but it's like we English students, why do we study at Cambridge? Like, why do we give exams for Cambridge? Because we expect why do we pay a premium amount of money to get a premium amount of exam? I mean, not a premium amount of exam. To basically get a premium exam experience, like, wait, yeah, let's quickly the meme which is like still relevant till this day. So yeah, like this meme, like found it last year and it's still relevant. Anyways, so as I was saying, we give the exam, we pay a good amount of money, and this is what we get. Like, I first like let's talk about Pakistan. In Pakistan, they have multiple boards, so they can just give exams on other boards. Like, why would they choose Cambridge? Like, if this keeps happening, if the leaks keep happening, like I heard that their other boards are like infamous for exam papers get leaked, and if Cambridge is the same, then why would they pay that much of money to pay? I mean, to that much of amount of money to give the exam? Why? Why would they? Like, also in Bangladesh, like no hate to Bangla medium students and all, but like we English medium students or Cambridge students are like paying a premium amount of money, and like we our grades matter more, our grades way more, and but of security, I don't know. Like I feel like some maybe Bangladesh the education system security is better. I know paper also gets leaks here, and like there are some rumors of ACS papers getting leaked, but and like cheating also happens. Like comparatively, cheating happens much more in ACC exams and all. Uh, no hate, but that's the reality, guys. We just have to accept it. So yeah, and but like, what is happening? Like, why would people pay more money if we don't get like the premium service that we are promised? Uh, I have no idea. Like, don't they think about this? Like, what have Cambridge done in this year? Like, what have Cambridge done? You might think, oh, okay, like the paper got leaked. Oh, they might not make the same mistake again. I know they will in, ensure higher security or whatever, but I don't see the security. Where is the security? Every year, paper get leaked, especially M1, MP1. M1 might also get leaked. So yeah, like why the premium amount of money?
Like what to do after paper 3 gets leaked? Like I'm not talking about mailing them or like tagging them on Instagram, blah blah blah. Like what is the answer? What can you do? Prepare for the next exam. Like I'm specifically talking about maths here. Like if I guess P1 usually happens like at the beginning, so like it's either M1 or S1. So what can you do after P3 gets leaked? What will others tell you? And sadly, it hurts, but I mean, what will the teachers tell you? Like, if, I know it also hurts them, but like they really don't have much to say.
The annoying editor threw here again. Basically, this clip was recorded later on, but my mic still died. So I mean, yeah, like yeah. Anyway, so what I was saying here is that what option do we have? I mean, not we. I mean, what do option do you guys have? What what does Mathlete besides Dynamatics and the answer would say? I mean, they already said it last year. I mean, not their fault, but like because that's literally the best thing you can do, and that's like study for your next paper. Because in 2024, they actually discredited paper one and gave grades based upon S1 or M1. Uh, they might have done it last year, but since both were leaked and Pakistan government created a peer pressure, they had to like give full marks and they had to give the option of free retake only in Pakistan, by the way. As if we don't exist, we Bangladeshis don't exist. Anyways, so yeah, that's what they did. That's what Cambridge did, and that's all that are true because of Pakistan government asking them to do so, to do something, and that's the only reason it happened. Like in Pakistan, if you can get into the media somehow, like there are people like let's take a imaginary number. Let's say maybe 30% of Pakistani board students give CAI, are from CAIE, and maybe in Bangladesh the percentage might be as well as lower than 5%. So yeah, they have that advantage. Like majority of the zone four students are from Pakistan. That they have that advantage. India like is a special case. Anyways, like they have a special like they give a exam in March. I'm not sure if they give an exam in June or not. So anyways, so yeah, like so basically people talked about it like maybe the Pakistanis because they were the only ones who could do something. We Bangladeshis can do anything. So yeah. So yeah, that then Cambridge did something, and I heard like also something happened in Pakistan due to which they like, started providing our chicks scripts for free, even though some schools took money for it. In Bangladesh, I know about it. So yeah, like man, but what happened last year? Um, after papering, was like they were like students were trying so hard for M1 or S1 because that like in the students' mind that become the deciding factor. Um, and that got leaked as well. So imagine you work for a paper, you work hard for a paper, that paper gets leaked, and then there's a huge chance that the next paper will be a deciding factor. Like that paper will decide your whole grade. It works hard for it and it gets leaked again. Like imagine the level of mental depression, like trauma. I don't know what word to use. That a person, I mean a student who have worked his ass off for both of them would have. Like imagine how disappointed the teachers are, man. Like okay, fine, maybe they do get money from it, maybe they do earn from YouTube, but imagine like They're humans as well. They have to teach so many batches. They also do a lot of hard work. They also work their asses off every year. Like we do like for AS we will do for 1 year. They teach years after years, and I wonder how like what is going through their mind. Like they have been facing it since 3 years. Like imagine the amount of discipline they would have. And we also really do when I'm the students. Like even me as an A2 student is kind of disappointed that it happened again. And again, I really can say work hard. A1 might get leaked. S1 might get leaked. Who knows? Anyways, yeah, that was like about the interview. Bye.